How to integrate Shopify with Klaviyo 2024 step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be integrating our Shopify with our Klaviyo for the best email and SMS marketing in the world. So to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to shopify.com and we are going to be logging in with our account. Now, if you don't have an account already, you can simply go ahead and create it. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy, okay? It's a walk through the park basically, okay? You're simply going to go ahead and add in your email and just verify some things, add in your LLC, add in your business, and you should be good to go. Now once you're over here, what you're going to want to do is you're simply going to go over to the app section. You're going to go to all recommended apps and you are going to go to Shopify's app store, okay? So we're going to go over, okay, and we're going to enter this in. That's going to load us to the Shopify app store. We're going to search up Klaviyo, okay? And when we search up Klaviyo, it's going to give us all these different things. Now, Klaviyo usually does come up over here as well. You can search it up if you want to, but I'm going to go with this, okay? So here you can see it says Klaviyo email marketing and SMS power smarter digital relationships with marketing automation fueled by all of your data. I'm going to go ahead and click on install. Now once you click on install, what it's going to do is it's going to bring us to our admin where it's going to load these things in. So I'm going to click on install app. And once you click on install app, we're going to wait for it to load in. And once it loads in, it's going to bring us to registration. Now it's going to ask us to register everything. So I'm going to go ahead, add in my email. Now, if you're integrating it with your Shopify email will automatically adjust to this. Then you're going to add in your company website. You're going to add in your phone number, which is pretty necessary. And once you do all of this, you are simply going to go ahead, okay, choose this. You're going to make sure to verify yourself. So, just go ahead and enter all the motorcycles. Once you do that, verify and click on get started. Now, once you do that, it's going to wait for things to load in. So, we're just going to wait for it to do that. And once things are fully loaded in, it's going to bring us to the integration section where it's going to ask us to sync our Klaviyo with our Shopify, okay? Now, the fun thing about Klaviyo and Shopify is that Klaviyo is owned by the people at Shopify. So the integration process is pretty simple. So it says sync your Shopify subscribers to Klaviyo, sync your Klaviyo profiles to Shopify. I'm going to go ahead and continue with that, sync it in. And then it's going to ask me my address. Okay, so you're going to add all of that. Now, once you add that, you're going to click on continue. It's going to ask you your store name, your sender name. Okay, you're going to enter a sender's email address and make sure that it's a proper business email address if you want to keep it like that. Once you do that, here it says, how do you want to reach your subscribers? SMS is currently only available in US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland. So you have email only, SMS only, emailed, and SMS. These are the ways. Now, I'm going to go with email and SMS because, why not use both of these things? Although email marketing is more in, not a lot of people use SMS marketing nowadays. But what we're going to do is we're just going to go with the flow. Now, it's going to ask you to check your mail. You're going to have to verify yourself. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and verify things from my end. So they've asked me to confirm the Klaviyo email on my end, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's going to take me into Klaviyo onboarding, so let me show you how it looks. So this is what the Klaviyo onboarding looks like. Now we're loaded up and we're good to go, so I'm going to close the coexisting tabs, and here we are. So it says set up your account, begin with SMS, grow your audience, recover lost sales. Now, the first step was connect to Shopify, which is, your integration to Shopify, and that's done, okay? That's pretty much done. You've done the necessary bits of it. Now, what you're going to do from there is, you can either go through the steps that it gives you or just follow me, okay, where I'm going to explain all the necessary things that you can do with Klaviyo and Shopify. So first of all, you get the campaigns, okay? The campaigns are the best part of Klaviyo because you can create campaigns on different things. So there's canceled, checkout, fulfilled, ordered product, placed order, and refunded order. You can use all these different things and you can simply click on create campaign. So first of all, you're going to give your campaign a name. So I'm going to call it first test campaign. That's what we're calling it. Now, once you call it that, then you're going to select a date when this campaign will be held. So I'm going to go with 25th of January, 2024. And then it's going to say what kind of campaign, is it an email where you can send a targeted message to your contacts, or is it a setup SMS where you can start sending SMS messages in minutes? Right now, I'm going to go with an email Okay, if you want to select tags, you can do that. If you don't, you can simply click on save and continue. It's not compulsory. So once we've done this, it's going to give you recipients, different recipients to choose from. So I'm going to go with newsletter and just go with all these things. Okay, these are the recipients I want. And then it says don't send to. It's an optional list where if you don't want to send to a few list of people, you can choose those as well. Now, once you do that, there's also tracking where you can include different tracking parameters. And once you do that, you're going to click on continue to content. Now, once you're here, you're going to add a subject line. Like, let's say I'm going to talk about a product. So it's called first product line is out now. Then you have preview text, okay? Text that is going to appear in front of people. So I'm going to go with check out our product. Okay, this is going to be the preview. I'm going to add these things and I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Now, once you do this, then you have the sender's name, you have sender's email address. Now, how would you like to design your email? Okay, so it could be a drag and drop, which is pretty popular. You could edit it through that, or you can go with text only or an HTML code editor if you're good at HTML. I'm going to go with drag and drop because that's the most standard way to, actually create your email. Now, first of all, it's going to give you all these templates to work with. So I'm going to go with this. Cyber Monday. It looks pretty cool. I'm just going to add my product right above it. So I'm going to click on use templates. And once we click on use templates, it's going to open up the editor for us. Now, the thing is, the vibe of the whole template is pretty nice as well. All I need to do is I'm going to delete this. And once you delete this, you can replace it with any other image. So I'm going to click on replace. I'm going to click on upload image. I'm going to select the image that I want to upload. So let's say this is the product, right? So I'm going to add this and look at that. So Cyber Monday deals, new product out now. Check it out before time runs out. And that's pretty much about it. That's the design I want. That looks pretty cool. So I'm going to click on save. And once I click on save, all these things are done. It's even going to show you a preview of everything. That looks cool. That looks nice. You can also create A and B testing where you can, optimize your email, but I'm good with that. I'm going to click on continue to review. And if you're ready to send, you're finally going to schedule it and send it. Now, there might be some issues with form and replies because if you don't have a proper domain, that might cause a recurring issue with you. But if it's not a great issue, you can finally send it out. And that's the basic idea and concept of how you are going to go ahead and, set things up with Shopify and Klaviyo. Okay, this is how you integrate these two, and this is how you work with these two. So you can use your Shopify email with your Shopify products to integrate with Klaviyo and send people different things out. Now, basically, it might sometimes cause issues when it comes to sender email address. So let's say I'm going to choose this as my sender's email. I'm going to click on continue to review again. And once we do that, here you can see everything is good to go. So I'm going to click on schedule or send. And you can either schedule this for different times or you can send it right now, okay? So these are two options as well that you can go ahead with. You can fix a sent time as well. And that is pretty much about it. So that's how you can integrate Shopify with Klaviyo and work with these two together in an integrated, synced way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.